for that brain ena eye nipa da se ni behu ne nyonko se what say ono a yinna nim se emi bia etwe mu Ghana chese ye abrofo ne baye de Ghana fo be ye slave a chese no mo hyenko asum na eno no yenya ye independence na yesusu sanka etuo entwan so Ghana nyoma bi owa yentumi pick it up ye see yetumi ye nyoma na toothpick crampo no ye imported from other country to Ghana entino ama up to now countries bebre any abrofu bebre free say Ghana indirectly no ye free say you independent and so ye wo enkwasum na dia kra na akwakotwe sansem we ababetuja anopeyi video bi a circulate ewo wiase afanani na video broni ba pa na wo hwemu abibini eba a wono ne kala no tuntum de ba tuntum ni fita dia ho difference wo mu a chese wo washing your dishes mu a chese video no emu ntiremu chese wo ye house help na wo broni ebo modern atintosuo edigu bibini bayi so no ama eja Africans Ghana fododo na kasa se da bio da ben racism yi to ebetwa da ben abrofi behu ebibifuo se womo de womo nye nipa womo de womo se sokra de ebi ni wiase womo de womo ntumi womo enye pada na tie fo nsem yi nchire mu womo na video nso womo yenkohwembra.
One shot. You want more?
Say for me mama kwa babiem mi aba Benis ame waka yensa wa ha che say ye me pense ensemo mi aba Benis akwa ba shronko
me jo so mi aba me ba ha che
wa wo fe ri na odi atete enye hwe na menya we mi be twu mu nsuo ni na ye mi aba wo hwe sa ni ye we ya obroni bayi ye bibini bayi wo share racism and I say immediate racism monopause and right penny and I say immediate be wa chese wo ntumi fama before
purely racism mechanism but before the mention ya hwefo nyina wo pomodin mo di echidi eja omukan yo ho aya institution we enguru na me address case no me make say menopause ma me no hwe na ne free pa ye ne say ne free kakra ne free pa ye e bia na akwai say menopause but ye nim said that me afititetezimia abofo do to na anye de embu blacks and omo ye as nipa omo consider it as part of them to them no more think say we don't contribute to the economy of the world and there was this viral video I call around say abofunumpa decided say Africa as a whole we don't contribute to the world's economy until we are deplorable until better say Africans no yin omo year plans until o hwe sa COVID-19 na for Ebola ne different kind of virus banning na is purposely to attack most of the time Ebola as a ankwechi I say even though Nigeria is very close to Nigeria, it me and Bahamse until they have to create another one even time COVID-19 by what's research actually say they updated the virus. Oh, yeah, first one as a still Ghana affected. Oh, say affected Ghana. There are so many countries as well. There say African countries as well. Affect you. It say they created the system in a way say most of the African countries because almost we are deplorable. The population in the country is too much. Internet so we reducing the population. We are creating those things. No, it is a number a friend said research about curbing the situation and all these things. No, me want to say no for me, but woman, person be say boy woman. And this vaccine say as say abide so we are very careful. This system they bet me check whether or not this vaccine can help
or it cannot help.
According to we are taking the information from them. So far as they say that there is a vaccine to cure or perhaps protect us against this disease, no, and not buying and so because we don't have that technology. You say this vaccine is going to help cure or protect us against it or not. Until Mr. Sabano or and then I draining us so pana so person of wow mine and ye must mine who buy and padia necessary one I drink a copana and story no so no. This is pure racism and we have known say above no pay us. Your mobile as a management 50 to 10 if you mobile ham see a mobile some slave in the head to that from that time to now no still they see us as the monkeys no and they see us as not humans and sometimes also a situation and obi mansua to look for money obviously
they look down
on your own. Yes. You know definitely you are going to work for some of them to be able to gather something small. Now odi ababe bofi almost can into the mode to bahana yeah morgan now or there na ejuma bi say and no who they say because we are one they don't consider us as human like I said and no respecting it yeah baba so edi ya mama be mo say now question to women that dominionship no into that slavery any dominance no
still
hormone so what I say you mo pe bia omutimi when you want to make us say menopause and ade ama me na what ya secret who compare abroad menopausal stage to young and menopausal stage now it's a different thing.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Oh, share and the ultimate now like like the way they are not supposed to react. Gana for crowd opinions and the way the person will react. When or not me kasa everybody sometimes will make now during the back. It was almost system of training when a different what mean kasa account.
But yeah, they think that from when we say take dominion over Africa, almost someone bossu, creative people, they are doing so well. Is it that we are ignorant? We can never perform as they perform. We cannot do things on our own. I'm not a laziness. I'm not saying they were created special as the way your
maybe I make time I make sure again. Say make sure me call and say I call be any one.
Okay.
And now we decide to say but training your mind in the way say we're picking this particular thing now. You end up picking it and it becomes your thing.
Okay.
So it will be a new and to make in the part of creativity may one say Abofone are more creative than Ghanaians. We are equally the same, except that Omono they think far much faster and ahead. And
they implement
very well. And again upon we wait for someone to do something before we do the same thing. Osha Ghana mobile money buy na afi empty the mobile money ba. Oh okay, empty the mobile money ba eya the mama na finati go so edwin so the mobile money ba. No mo so dia ba. Oh okay, na woda mo so akwafa. Sa na obote omo twen mo obi ye ansa no ona akopia akwafa. Ghana, we don't know how we are not creative. It's not if we cannot be, we can be, but we are not. Osha even sales at here and poor Ghana market and poor. What means say online marketing by you. Amount for to turn the posting or status new way. Obi to meet now and covet me and dreams and BBC can happen or not to be creative about it or not to be creative money. But on yes, I'll bet you and young could be here or satisfied. Okay, Obi here they say, okay, Obi just got any person well, you can do something like that.
Is it out of ignorance or is it out of procrastination? And yes, because it's time that maybe was some kind of image be I'm mindful for in your file we have to erase it and now delete it because it's a pushing down into then you to perform well so that other human being or color. Just the difference is exactly the difference is the color. But you value on color. I value on say they are superior. So what is creating that and how can we perform?
Meka say Ghana phone so ana Africans so we are part of this as we have given the room for that to happen to us. Why am I saying this? Treaty we as Africans, we don't give respect to ourselves, but then we give respect to the whites more. We give them that dominionship.
Oh, okay.
Power. Once baby, wherever you are valued, you get more power.
It's true.
If you give them, and these are certain things that the whites are aware of. If you give them power, and let me say the human race as a whole is aware of. If you give them power, say, if you value them more, you give them the power to become whatever they want. Also, baby, now you more so much respect your proper
so you have power.
Obi mu abesi me abisa say e dey baby kura na enye na nipa betimi aka say anti besi nya oyi enye no kwan so no jai nipa nitimi
because all right
because and respect so into be sure tra na why because esa na so why powerful into ye bibi mpo na enye mpo awu ne say enye owu ne say o kwan so no because una ye mo sa power na okra sa mandate na say dey so ya na ye Africans no ye so ya ma ho kwan say bibi sa eye dem
ye kawo
into ye kawo
as yes
so ma broni mbra na nkasa Johnson de no njina obi dan ano no nkasa obedun so
obewu na won do
no etwa no asre na etwa broni na edu so no etwa no de ayese de no
ba wo bibini obehie nsuro so
o ko de ka
emebo ya njiye de ntu
your mentality no and also can you know they affect you.
When you have another sepama, me blame I say a problem. A problem say I say before I am more thankful. And now you dear free your money more, you cherish it. Now how long
can we do this?
How long? It will the future be because discussion very deep. You can't see a book on mammy and the future will be a year before. Fatu jamang.
You can say sometimes you adiem. So na me kai in my last submission I say we are all equal if we learn ourselves as Ghanaians that we are all equal to meet seniors I'm sure so the kind of respect that we expect from them a very free ho abba but if we are giving them that power we are valuing them more than our own we instead of us to be creative about certain things and we are depending on them for survival for every movement and everything that we need as a country or even as people to live and this is us giving them the chance and proving to them that indeed we don't have that knowledge that God has blessed everyone with. Also, every kind of affecting until we respect what we have, we acknowledge what we have, and the racism no ever also akoso our mind and I said baby
discussion emudo Ghana ebibi man before and once to say you done ya and once to say you promoting ya wo born and modern esan say adie bia bibi man ayebia enye adie bi obronya ye bia eye that mentality no it has to change and not to say ye die die tu if we say adwene obronya ye de ye a wo fi se no ye no sa adwene na nyame kro na de ma bibini ma wo no so aye a ono so gidi se eye yenjai sa ebibifo ade enye broni ade enu na eseyen enu na amaga na ye bre enu na mabibifo yentumi enko yenim wo so je wadwen kire nyame ka ne kwan so ano no nyame ni aba de betu dwa ne kwan so ano no je wadwen kire to your comment section sanse enu so emuhia afi subscribe to too much age if you dey kasina jumedie bi ade betu ma munum wona na wonsa kebinu etumi a kire wade like and share e promote eye channel no media any Mexical back pe dasene ye besa ehia makramo.